Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to record a Zoom meeting for free. It's super easy once you know where to look. Make sure to stick around till the end, and don't forget to please subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials like this one. First, start or join your Zoom meeting. Once you're inside, look down at the bottom of the Zoom window. If you're the host, or if the host has given you permission, you'll see a button that says Record. Click on it. And you'll get two options if you're on a paid account. Record on this computer or record to the cloud. But if you're using Zoom for free, you'll only see record on this computer. Just go ahead and select that. Once you start recording, you'll notice a small recording icon appear at the top left corner of your Zoom window. That means your meeting is being recorded. You can pause or stop the recording anytime using the buttons at the bottom of your screen. When your meeting ends, Zoom will automatically process the recording and save it to your computer. You'll get a pop-up window showing you where the file has been saved, usually in a folder called Zoom inside your Documents folder. And that's it. You've successfully recorded your Zoom meeting for free. It's perfect for saving classes, team discussions, or interviews to watch later. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with others. And please subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.